The Morgans are a great example of a customer of ours. We work with a lot of first-time buyers, and these are your classic American couple.
We got married 9 months ago this month. It's been a journey, I guess. We get to spend all of our free time together. We don't have to travel to see each other. We're always at the same house. Our whole plan was to rent for a whole year and then try to buy a house.
But everybody wants a place to call their own, and that's why we bought our first house.
We want to buy a house because the security of owning a home.
There's tax benefits to it. There's all that stuff that monetarily that's great, but I think it's part of the American way, the American dream is that you have a job, you make your money, and you buy a house for your kids, a backyard to play in.
Like, it will be ours, no one else's. I mean, we don't have to worry so much about breaking something or things like that, or our dogs getting into something. I mean, it'll be ours and we don't have to worry.
For us, it was the man downstairs. We always told our kids that don't run around and jump because we're an upstairs apartment and there's a man downstairs and he's going to be mad because there's something on the ceiling.
Well, our strategy for finding a home at first was just looking online and driving around the area.
In my opinion, it's get with somebody that knows what they're doing, both on the real estate side and in mortgage. A good realtor is going to tell you to go see a lender first.
We kind of just fell into the hands of a realtor. It wasn't we were searching for a realtor, or, I mean, we didn't mean to, but we did, and he has done so much for us.
For us, it's all about us having everything organized for the client when they come in.
I remember walking into Steve's office and our names being up on the TV, welcome Trevor and Lauren Morgan, and walked into the room and he pretty much sat down and we had no idea what an escrow fund or any of that stuff was.
We just take special care in making sure that our customers know what the next step is and what they need to know, what they need to understand.
He explained everything to us, and this is what we need to do and this is what we're going to have to do.
There's so many rules that go into when you're buying a house.
Any questions we had about paperwork or anything, we could text him, call him, or I showed up there several times and just talked to him, and he was always there to answer my questions and everything.
People say don't prejudge your credit. I'm saying don't prejudge that you can't get approved because it's likely in a lot of cases that people think they can't get approved for a house when in fact they can.
I would tell others when they're going to start this process just to get help immediately. I mean, you can look for yourselves and things like that, but if you get help, I mean, they'll pretty much take care of it. In a mortgage, if you find someone you trust, then you don't have to worry about anything. You know you're in good hands.